Ever feel like your pharma teams are planning in silos? Each department chasing their own KPIs instead of a shared goal? You wait weeks for the latest budget until everyone fills in their part. And when it lands, another Excel by email. Another final version 7.1. Let's be honest, there's always two versions of the truth. The official one and the unofficial one. The one that lives in inboxes. That's exactly what happens when planning lives in disconnected spreadsheets instead of one governed model. One shared model, one truth for finance, commercial, and supply. So everyone plans on the same data. When a number changes, everyone sees it instantly, and when a decision happens, you see it updated live in your P&L. Planning actually stops being political and starts being collaborative. Check it out today how Farseer helps finance teams plan together.